Hello there, welcome to CryptoReality. So, quick update for injective protocol this time. And please be advised that I'm not your financial advisor. I just wanted you to share my insights with the current market. So now let's dive in with the injective, and the price prediction is still the same. As you can see, we're now sitting at 11.91, and just like I've said in my past video, we created this bars pattern from the past, so it looks like we're getting there. Here we're gonna drop here to the support trend line, which is your 9.9594 area before we start bouncing to the upside, and the price prediction is still the 83 to 90 US dollars for injective protocol. So who's investing in injective? I'm just curious about this because I guess this has the most potential here. It has a good potential, not the most, I'm sorry. It can give you a nice return, and especially in your 1 hour chart, you're creating this triangle, setting triangle that we can go bounce to the upside with the measured move. This one sorry, and maybe here we're gonna hit this, the 12.97 area. That's your 1 hour time frame, but I'm still holding that we're going to go down just like the rest of the market. So yeah, my phone is lagging. So this is your 4 hour chart. I guess as you can see, this is I don't know if this is a triple top or head and shoulders pattern. See this? I guess it's a head and shoulder pattern there. Oh, I've drawn wrong. And of course the measured move there is this, yeah, it's your head, the measured move into the downside, and we're gonna hit this. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing here. So if we go to the upside just like this one, so go bounce, so you go up and then going down, then go on to that. Okay, so that's what I am seeing there. So that's for injective. Right now, let's proceed to the other cryptos that I'm looking. For the BTC, I want to see the Bitcoin chart here. There, here's your Bitcoin. Sorry, it's kinda lag here. What I am seeing here, BTC is sitting around 114,000 US dollars. Got rejected to this strong resistance here at 117, 118. Market is not strong. They're not. We want to see a massive move. But I guess the top of BTC is still 157 area. But this one is a good cup, huh? This one is a good cup handle. Or higher high. If we break this to the upside, which is I want to, each and every one of us wants to. We can get this, we can hit this, 119. Maybe we get rejected again to this one. because there's a lot of resistance there on the 19. Maybe today or tomorrow you can see that happening, but we're still inside this channel. Let's go on the higher time frame from Bitcoin. Your daily. Daily is holding the 20 and 50 EMA, and this is kind of double bottom to me. Here, you see this? That's your double bottom. I'm gonna remove this because we're down here. And let's see on the weekly if we're still holding the 20 EMA. Yeah, there you go. We're still holding the 20 EMA. So as long as we're not dropping below this 50 EMA, the yellow line, I am bullish. Just like what I've said, as long as we're holding this blue and yellow line, your 20 and 50 EMA, we are bullish. And I am expecting one more leg up to the upside for your blow of thought. Am I expecting a euphoria, a 200, 500k BTC? I don't think so. But it's very, very possible for crypto to do that. So let's go on with Ethereum. So there, your Ethereum. I don't know where's my drawing here, but right now we are retesting this trend line here. This one is much better. This line is much better. As you can see, this we are hitting this one. We are retesting this. You see that? That's your weekly. And my price prediction is 12,000, 10 to 12,000 US dollars for Ethereum. But the conservative one is this. Let's see this one. You see that? That's a beautiful. I don't know if it's cap and handle, as you can say that, but that's. Oh, we already hit this. Sorry. Sure, breakout candle. There. So we reached that. This cap, this pattern. Here, we already reached that. Right. So now we're testing. Let's see what's happening here. What's gonna happen here. Where's your Fibonacci is heading? There, if we manage to break this, we're going to hit this 2.414, 2.272, 2.618, and near your 3.618, which is your 14,000 US dollars. So yeah, being conservative here, but that's a lot of possibility there. Measuring this again and hoping for the breakout candle here. So yeah, as you can see, you can increase this to this one. There's a lot of possibilities here. And yeah, hitting this 3.618 here for your Ethereum. So let's go on and dive in for the lower time frame. Let's see how it will go and play out here. Sorry for the delays because of this signal. Yeah. Look at this. We still, of course, we're gonna draw this trend line again. If we break that, then we're going to the downside. Maybe we can create a double bottom to here, going down here, consolidate, then move to the upside. If we manage to break that, and I think that's gonna happen in this week. So the weak hands will sell their cryptos and go broke, and then the whales are going to buy, the institutions are going to buy, got you left behind because you already sold yours because of these moves, because of this drop. So we're thinking, oh, it's bear market, we're going to go lower, but we haven't done the final push to the upside here. This one is a head and shoulders pattern. We are neither. We're completing this. Hey, where's the trend line? There. Maybe we can complete this one, or we already completed this. We already did. Right? We already did complete that head and shoulders pattern. So I am expecting now is bouncing here again. Just like what I've said, a double bottom and then push to the upside. So I won't remove this trend line. We have to monitor this. And of course, as you can see, we can go on this 20 EMA crossing all these EMAs. Then we are so bullish. That's a bullish cross. Let's go on the weekly time frame for Ethereum. I've already forgot if we're holding. Yes, we're holding this 20 EMA. We are. One more push to the upside. When Ethereum does this, expect an altcoin season to go through. But not all cryptos in the altcoin market will pump hard. Maybe they're going to pump to their previous all-time highs or lower. Expect that, because there's a lot of cryptos now. We can relay on the past that the altcoins are going parabolic, because there's so much more cryptos right now. So please be conservative. Don't go broke by saying, oh, we're gonna reach this high. Take profits as long as you have your profits. Be happy on what you have and prepare for the next bear market. You have to prepare for the next bear market and choose the right tokens with utilities. Not financial advice, but you have to think about it again and again and again. So if you learned something here, please do me a favor, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Bye bye.